Did you know that a group of flamingos is called a flamboyance? Yes, you heard it right. These bright pink creatures bring such a vibrant splash of color to the landscapes they inhabit that they've earned this delightful moniker. Now that's a fitting collective noun for such a strikingly beautiful gathering of birds, don't you think? This is just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to the fascinating world of animals. From the deepest oceans to the highest mountains, from the hottest deserts to the coldest poles, animals are an integral part of our world. Their behaviors, their characteristics, and even their names can offer us a fresh perspective on the natural world. So buckle up, because we're about to embark on a journey of discovery, exploring 10 astonishing facts about the creatures we share our planet with. Isn't that a flamboyant fact to start our countdown? Now, let's stretch our necks and dive into the ocean for the next facts. Our ninth fact takes us to the grasslands of Africa, where we find the world's tallest land animal, the giraffe. These majestic creatures are known for their towering necks, but here's a surprising fact. Despite their long necks, giraffes have the same number of vertebrae in their necks as humans do. That's right, just like us, giraffes have 7 neck vertebrae. However, each one of theirs can be up to 10 inches long. It's a classic example of nature's ingenuity, demonstrating how a simple number can take on different forms and functions across species. Next, we plunge into the depths of the ocean, where we encounter the incredible mimic octopus. This crafty cephalopod takes camouflage to a whole new level. Unlike other octopuses that change their color and texture to blend into their surroundings, the mimic octopus goes a step further. It can impersonate over 15 different marine species to evade predators. From venomous lionfish to sea snakes, the mimic octopus has a full repertoire of disguises at its disposal. It's like the ultimate method actor of the animal kingdom. Talk about a master of disguise, right? This creature's ability to adapt and survive in the ocean's depths is another testament to the amazing diversity and adaptability found in the natural world. From the depths of the ocean, we move to the icy Antarctic and the buzzing world of bees. Picture this, a penguin, adorably waddling along the icy landscape, pebble in beak, ready to propose to its mate. Yes, you heard it right. Penguins, in a gesture of love, present their life mates with the smoothest pebble they can find. It's a tender moment that signifies the start of a lifelong partnership. Now let's buzz over to another fascinating fact about our humble honeybees. Did you know they have their own unique dance language? Honeybees use a complex series of movements known as the waggle dance to share information about the location of food sources with their hive. This dance is so precise, it can guide fellow bees to a food source miles away. So next time you see a bee buzzing around, remember, it might be on its way to a dance party. Dance like a bee, it might just lead you to some sweet rewards. Speeding up to our next fact, we encounter the fastest creature on land and then dive back into the ocean. If you've ever felt the need for speed, you'll appreciate our next animal, the cheetah. These spotted sprinters really know how to put the pedal to the metal, reaching jaw-dropping speeds of up to 70 miles per hour. That's faster than most speed limits on highways. And they don't just hit their stride and coast, oh no. Cheetahs can go from 0 to 60 in just a few seconds, which is faster than many sports cars. It's this incredible speed that helps them catch their prey and earn their spot as one of the animal kingdom's most impressive athletes. But now, let's leave the dry savanna and plunge into the deep blue sea. Here we find another remarkable creature, the octopus. Now, this 8-armed wonder has a few tricks up its sleeves. Did you know that octopuses have not 1, not 2, but 3 hearts? Yes, you heard that right. 2 of these hearts work exclusively to move blood beyond the animal's gills, while the third keeps circulation flowing for the organs. And speaking of blood, it's not red like ours. Octopus blood is actually blue. This is due to a copper-based protein called hemocyanin, which is more efficient for oxygen transportation in cold and low-oxygen environments. 3 hearts are better than 1, especially if they pump blue blood. Our countdown continues with 2 very large and very social animals. Let's start with elephants, majestic creatures known for their intelligence. But did you know that elephants can recognize themselves in a mirror? That's right. This indicates a high level of self-awareness, a trait not common in the animal kingdom. It's a testament to the elephant's cognitive abilities, showcasing their profound understanding of self and others. Next, let's mosey over to the pasture and talk about cows. These gentle giants have something in common with us humans. They form close friendships. Believe it or not, cows have best friends and can become stressed when they're separated. This bond among cows underscores their emotional depth, challenging our preconceived notions about farm animals. So, Whether it's the self-reflective elephant or the social cow, animals continue to surprise and fascinate us. Remember to check the mirror and stay close to your friends. And finally, the largest fact of them all. The blue whale holds the title as the largest animal on Earth. Astoundingly, these gigantic creatures can grow up to 100 feet in length and can weigh as much as 200 tons. That's about the weight of 33 elephants. Now let's take a quick spin back through our top 3 most fascinating facts. The mimic octopus, a true master of disguise, can impersonate over 15 different marine species to evade predators. Honeybees, our tiny dancers, communicate through intricate waggle dances to share the location of food sources with their hive. And don't forget about our friendly cows, who form such strong social bonds that they have best friends and can become stressed when separated. So the next time you see a cow, remember it might just be missing its best friend. The animal kingdom is indeed a world full of wonder and surprises.